What's up, guys? Welcome to my car drift challenge again.
My drift car challenge.
My car drift challenge.
Did the same.
You did it last time. I was waiting for you.
I know. Sorry.
No, I like it.
Welcome to another episode of My Drift Car Challenge presented by Nitto.
Yeah, so today we have two drivers, right?
Derek with Toyota Cressida and Danny with Toyota A86.
Let's go check them out.
Do that.
Today's challenger is Derek Kloog, who hails from Chicago but now lives in Southern California. He's a former Marine and has been into grassroots drifting for almost 10 years now. Derek used to be an S13 guy but made the switch to the Cressida about a year ago. It packs a 1JZ VVTi with a Greddy T67 turbo that produces 400 horsepower to the wheels. Much has been done to improve the handling of the car. Derek even fabricated his own high-angle steering knuckles to achieve 50 degrees of steering angle.
Pretty confident. I was talking to him earlier. He said he hasn't driven a Cressida before, so I've got that going for me. But the car's also really new to me. I've only driven it. This will be my 5th time taking it on course, so we'll see how it goes, but I'm feeling pretty good about it.
So Derek's Cressida is pretty cool. It's really clean. I haven't really driven a Cressida ever, I'm pretty sure. 1J, not a lot of time there for me either. 4-door. I don't know, it looks really well built though.
Judge Dye explains that he'll be watching the line, angle, and style. The only change to the rules is that the single highest score out of the 3 runs will count. This means the challengers have a better chance against the pro since they only need to nail 1 run. Matt Powers versus Derek Kloog. And here's Derek's first run.
Send it, buddy.
He saves it from spinning out. A little cautious going around the structure, but finishes off strong with good angle. Looking a little nervous.
I thought he was going to spin, he saved it, and he kind of, I think after that, maybe his nerves got the best of him this time because his practice was looking really good, so I know he could do a lot better.
Run number 2 by Derek the Challenger. Ooh, he overshoots the first clipping point. Good angle and demonstrates excellent commitment. Final attack. An aggressive initiation. Good angle too. Oh, he takes out a cone. But Derek finishes strong without any major mistakes. Wouldn't you say so, Matt?
I think that was pretty good. I mean, he was really smooth. I think I can be close to that, but I don't really know because I haven't driven this car, so we'll see. I think it'll be close. Good job, man. Good job.
It was not bad. My first time in balcony, so I'm just trying to feel out the course still.
Oh, that was good. That was good. You looked good.
Thank you.
Yeah, super consistent.
Thank you.
Oh, I like it. I feel JDM, dude. I feel sick in this thing. I like it.
We interrupt this program to bring you a shot of Matt Powers posing with his favorite brand of tires, Nitto. Okay, Matt, show us how the pros do it.
Feels good, Derek. I like it. Let's do this. Run 1.
You think he really likes this car? Pro driver Matt Powers run number 1. Nice drift and angle coming into turn 1. Clears it nice and tight. He skims that outer clipping point like a pro. Someone is having a blast.
How slow!
That was a pretty killer run.
I feel good! Derek, I like it!
really, really likes your car, Derek. Matt Powers' run, number 2. Overshoots the first clipping point a little. And are we a little shallow this time? Still a smooth run, nevertheless.
I feel like I'm going to be right there with you, Teddy.
Feel good. Na, 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 na.
Hey, is that some James Brown karaoke?
Show you some flow.
Show us some good flow, Matt Powers. Good initiation. Nice and controlled drift on the first clipping point. Takes it around this turn, no problem, and finishes off the run. Oh, and he showboats, claiming the win.
There you have it. So Derek just against Matt Powers in your Cressida. Yes. How did you do?
I did all right. I felt more comfortable probably in practice. The competition is what brings a new level of stress to you, but I did all right overall.
Well, you look pretty comfortable with it.
Yeah, it's a really fun car. It's really well put together. So it's fun.
Cool. All right, so the winner is Matt Powers. Pretty tight, and yeah, like you said, he was driving maybe a little bit better on the practice.
Yeah.
But he did really good though. I was like, damn,
Yeah, no.
maybe Matt's not gonna
Yeah,
make it this time.
I thought so too. I was like, oh no, Jack's gonna take me out. Have you done any top drifts or like any competitions?
No, I'm hoping to do Pro-Am next year. This year is just getting it dialed, getting comfortable in it, and then bring it out on a more competitive level.
So that was literally your first judged drifting.
Yes.
Wow.
Good job.
Yeah, that was a
You're
good
ready.
job.
You're ready.
And you actually get used to the car really quick, and your first round was like killer. Like, yeah, just the line was killer.
I was talking about the flow from inside.
Yeah,
I was like,
line
how's
was
that
great.
flow?
And yeah, it was just pretty impressive run right away.
Thank you. Yeah, I mean, it's the car. It's put together really well. It's definitely the best car we've had on the show.
But
Out of two, but it's by far the best car thus far. So,
But the one
sorry,
thing,
Teddy.
he had a better angle over the entire run, but he had better like overall balance. Flow, yeah.
Right.
The flow. Like, you were like a
saw
little
it.
bit more like a jerky, but he's like very like smooth and so. Yeah, that's just a tiny bit difference, but
Well, it's a great compliment. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Good job.
great job, guys. All right, so this is a prize from Indian's Oil. You got a whole box of this.
Very nice. Thank you.
Thanks for coming out, man.
Thank you guys. If you like this episode and you want to challenge us next time, feel free to @GTChannel and hashtag #MyDriftCarChallenge. Let us know what you're working with.
Wow, you can talk.
Whoa!
Thanks for watching My Drift Car Challenge. Make sure to subscribe GTChannel in their YouTube channel. And
I'm sorry, you did so good. You did so good. I was already laughing before you started.
While the guys goof off again, thanks for watching My Drift Car Challenge presented by Nitto on GTChannel. If you want to challenge Matt, remember to post your ride on Instagram @GTChannel and hashtag #MyDriftCarChallenge. Next episode is Danny and his AE86.